Hello everybody, welcome back, thank you for joining me. And today this video is completely spontaneous, it wasn't planned at all. I finished work early and I decided to go to my dealer because something has arrived. I've ordered a R-Design shifter for my Volvo, and this was already in my plans for a long time ago, and it was in my plans since the upgrade of the steering wheel to R-Design. The R-Design steering wheel was one of the best upgrades I've done to the car. It completely transforms not only the looks but also the feel when you drive the car, because you're constantly, it's in front of your eyes and you're holding the steering wheel. So after installation of the R-Design steering wheel, I decided I need the R-Design shifter. I've ordered it. It's at the dealer right now. I'm on my way. My dealer is 40 kilometers away, or approximately 25 miles away. And also I decided, if I'm there with my Volvo, why not do and check if there is any updates to the car. So I want them to hook up VIDA and see if Sweden has anything to offer software-wise to the modules in the car. Last time I did that procedure was a couple of years ago. I can't remember exactly when. There was something that they did update. I can't remember exactly what, but today I will try and do a couple of shots on VIDA screen to show you if there's any updates. And then I'll give you a feedback if it's worth the trip to your dealer and check for any updates for your Volvo. It doesn't have to be XC70, of course. The shifter itself, mine is in okay condition. This is the original, just leather shifter. There is 3 options available. There will be a separate video on the installation of the shifter. And the R-Design shifter is the most expensive one, but in my opinion it's worth it. It has perforated leather, and it has this nice stitching on the shifter itself. So that's the plan for today, and I'll see you at the dealer. See you there. Volvo accessory stand, pretty nice stuff. I've got the top hat already on my head. I've also got this winter hat in black. I'm pointing at it right now, also pretty nice. So every time when I visit the dealer, I never leave it empty-handed. There's always something to find nice here at Volvo. On the left side, this is the Land Rover stand, and that bottom plastic ride-on, just look at the price, 315 Canadian dollars. That's crazy for a plastic toy. Let's get to the unboxing. This is my shifter, R-Design. This is the part number, made in Slovakia, and I've got a nice t-shirt. The XC90 headlights actually reflect. Pretty nice t-shirt. It's brand new stock at the dealer. In the box you get printed instructions in a few languages. Let's take the shifter out of the nylon bag and it looks a good quality product, to be honest. It's just amazing quality. I love it. I can't wait to install it onto my car. Well, enough shopping here. So I got lucky. They've actually accepted me without an appointment for an update. One of the mechanics took my Volvo into the service bay. They're gonna park it, connect VIDA, and see what updates are available for my Volvo. So let's take a look at the screen. The list that you see, these are all available updates. For now, we just choose Service 2.0, which is the basic update for the Volvo. This is what's recommended. And the Service 2.0 will include, for my Volvo particular, 5 updates to 5 different modules on the car. And I'm gonna show you right here. You can see the 5 modules: DIM, CCM, SAM, TCM, ICM. I will list those in the description below with some more information if I find more on it. And it's gonna take 8 minutes to install, 7 minutes to download, and this shows here the progress of installing Service 2.0. Now it's done. Now these updates are optional, and the mechanic advised to update only the all-wheel drive, which is DEM module. And this is what's happening right now. We're updating the all-wheel drive module. Done with the update, finished. And I had to take a look at the new V90 cross country. It's beautiful. And there is my cross country, and I know one of the parking lights is out. I will replace that. So time pretty much to go home. The updates are finished, and let's get home. So I've just finished at the dealer, and I'm on my way home. So Service 2.0 was uploaded to my car, which updated a few modules throughout the car. And you're not gonna feel any difference, let me tell you that. And I haven't driven the car to notice any difference, since also the transmission control module was updated, but I haven't driven the car. I'll put some update later on in the description below if I feel any difference after a few days of driving. And I was recommended to separately, it's a separate software that you have to pay for. I've upgraded the DEM module. This is the all-wheel drive module for your all-wheel drive system. You have to pay separate. That was updated also, hopefully for the better. And I got my parts, so there is now I have the shifter to replace. I have stuff to do. And I hope that this video was helpful to you. My advice: if you have a Volvo, go to your dealer if you haven't been there for a while, and pay this not big money, and do an update to your car. Check. You might get some good information, some advice from the dealer itself. So it was well worth the trip and the money that I've paid. I've met some great people there. And let me know in the comments below if you want to see anything in my future videos. Give me ideas. I don't promise that I'm gonna do all of them, but give me an advice. Support me by liking, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and thank you for watching. And I hope that you like this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.